Hi everybody, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my simple and shiny green beans. This is a great side dish for the holidays. It's simple and it's very, very healthy. First thing you want to do is make sure you have a big pot of boiling water on your stove. You also want a big metallic bowl with cold water and ice. Then you're going to prep your green beans by cutting off the ends. Next, you'll take the green beans and place them into the boiling water for 1 minute. Then quickly remove them from the boiling water and place them into the ice bath so that they cool off quickly.
So we have blanched the green beans. You just need to pat them dry with some paper towels because you don't want to put them in the saute pan all wet. It doesn't take much, just a few paper towels. I would just kind of give them a little hug.
Next, you put your frying pan on medium-high heat on the stove. Add the butter, salt, pepper, and sugar. The sugar is what's going to make your green beans shiny. Next, add your green beans and saute for about 5 minutes. The secret is in the blanching and in the few pinches of sugar. You will have a beautiful, gorgeous green bean side dish. Thanks for watching.